So as a part of grammar, we have studied vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, and now as a part of grammar, we are going to learn noun-pronoun agreement. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal. Particularly when we talk about them, we use noun, name, with the name. Like Rama, Lakshman, Sita, and tiger, and all these particular names of people or animals or buildings, we call them as nouns. And what about pronoun? Pronoun is used instead of noun. When we call like, he, she, it, all these called pronouns. So let us see now the agreement between noun and pronoun. A pronoun is agreement means combination, how to make these two together, how to coordinate these two together. Let us see them. Noun pronoun agreement. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Pronouns can be of following types. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those. What is demonstration? When you explain something, when you speak, like this is a boy, these are pencils, that is a book, those are chocolates. So when you demonstrate, when you explain something, you take help of demonstrative pronoun. Coming to other one, indefinite. Definite is something in particular. Indefinite means not in particular. So when you are talking about anybody, something, you take help of indefinite pronouns. And coming to the third one, a reflexive pronoun. Reflection of yourself. When you are talking about reflection of yourself, you take help of reflexive pronoun like yourself, myself, herself, see, self, yourself. We are talking about reflection of our own self, yourself, myself, your own self, like that. Interrogative pronouns means when you're questioning, interrogation, when you're questioning someone, who, what, which, where, all these are called interrogative pronouns. Personal pronouns like first, I'm, you, he, she, we, they, we call them as personal pronouns. Possessive pronouns, possession, talking about my, your, her, his, their, we call these as possessive pronouns. Relative pronouns, who, whom, whose, which, that. Relation, when you are talking about relations, when you are talking about relations in a sentence, you take help of relative pronouns. So these are different types of pronouns. Now let us see one, the agreement between them. The noun to which the pronoun refers is called the antecedent. The noun to which the pronoun refers is called the antecedent. Now we'll go with one simple example so that you can understand it thoroughly. What is that? Leonardo da Vinci was known for his technological ingenuity. He had, in fact, conceptualized a flying machine. What is noun in the sentence? Leonardo da Vinci is noun. What are the pronouns in the sentence? His and he are pronouns in the sentence. So, the noun to which the pronoun refers is called the antecedent. So, in this sentence, the antecedent of the pronouns his and he is Leonardo da Vinci. So Leonardo da Vinci is the antecedent of the pronouns his and he. So when you read a sentence, a noun should, the noun to which pronouns refer is called antecedent. Now let us see a few examples, few agreement rules between noun and pronoun. Every pronoun must agree with its antecedent. So every pronoun, whatever demonstrative, reflexive, interrogative, personal, possessive, relative, any type of pronoun, it should agree with its antecedent, means with its noun. So with its antecedent in terms of what? Number. If it is a singular, it should be a singular. If pronoun is a singular, antecedent should be singular. If pronoun is plural, antecedent should be plural. If pronoun is first person, antecedent should be first person. So like this, Every pronoun must agree with its antecedent in terms of number, person, and gender. So many students, when they speak, when they write, when they start, Sheetal is talking about a book. He is explaining. So in place of Sheetal, what we have to, Sheetal is a noun, female. So you have to use a she. But many people, they use he there. So that is noun pronoun agreement. Antecedent is not agreeing with the things. So the rules of, in the example above, we can see that both the pronouns his and he agree with the antecedent in terms of number, that is singular, person third, and gender masculine. So the rules for noun pronoun agreement are, now let us see the noun pronoun agreement rules. First one, if antecedent of the pronoun is singular, the pronoun should be singular, as I told you. In the example, Leonardo da Vinci is singular and one person, and the pronoun is one person, he. Leonardo da Vinci, he. And Leonardo da Vinci is masculine, gender. And we have given pronoun as gender based. Number, Leonardo da Vinci is a singular. And pronoun what he has given is number one. One and one. So it should agree. The pronouns must also agree with the antecedent in terms of person and gender, as we have discussed. The following table lists some common errors in noun pronoun agreement. So let us see some common errors what we generally make in noun pronoun agreement. Let us see them now. Type of error, sentences and explanation. I told you what is an antecedent and noun which is agreeing to the pronoun, we call it as antecedents. I told you. So antecedent type of error, what we generally make, what students generally make. Antecedent with conjunctions. I hope all of you know. And, or, all these conjunctions like and when a pronoun, when an antecedent has conjunctions with and. See, let us see the sentence. Raghav and Bhargav are proud of their performance in the recently concluded sports meet. Raghav, Bhargav. These are antecedents. What is the pronoun in the sentence? There. So, Raghav, Bhargav. So, when antecedents are combined with conjunction and. See, Raghav, antecedent, Bhargav, antecedent. These two are combined with conjunction and. So, this should be antecedent here is plural. Raghav and Bhargav are proud of their performance in the recently concluded sports meet. There, Raghav and Bhargav, we are talking about plurals. We are not talking about only Raghav. We are talking about Raghav as well as Bhargav, two people. So there, what we kept pronoun? There. So subject is, antecedent is plural, and the pronoun what we have kept is plural. Raghav, Bhargav, Raghav and Bhargav, and the pronoun what we kept is there. So antecedent, next one. Antecedent with conjunctions like or, nor. So first one, conjunction and. If antecedent with and means we have kept pronoun as plural. Now antecedent with conjunctions like or, nor. So now let us see the example. Neither the sample nor the reports are available at the lab. So neither the sample nor the reports are available at the lab. Now what is antecedent here? Reports, sample and reports. These two are what you call antecedents here. So neither the sample nor the reports are available at the lab. The pronoun referring to the antecedent should match with the closest part of the antecedent. So here we have given are, reports are. And the second one, Neither the reports nor the sample is available at the lab. Just to see in the first one, neither the sample nor the reports and what we have given are. But second sentence, neither the reports nor the sample. See, first one, reports, immediately after reports we have are. We have given plural. But in the second sentence, we are making it neither the reports nor the sample. Near to antecedent is plural, singular. So we have made it as is. And the third one, neither the samples nor the reports are available at the lab. So both are plurals. Neither the samples nor the reports are available at the lab. So one should be very careful when we are making this. Now, pronouns as antecedents. Sometimes pronouns themselves become antecedents. Don't expect nouns only to become antecedents. Sometimes pronouns also will become antecedents. This is one case. These projects, example, these project reports are okay, but those need to have their certificates changed. Now in this sentence, those is an antecedent. Those is an antecedent. So those is a pronoun, but also works as an antecedent in this sentence. In such cases, both the pronouns must agree with each other in terms of number, person, and gender. So in this project reports, we consider as it is a noun, but here those, which is a pronoun, but it is working as an antecedent in this sentence. When we have a pronoun working as an antecedent, so in that cases, both noun, in such cases, pronoun must agree with each other in terms of a number, person, and gender. This is one more rule. And coming to one more error which generally we make. Indefinite pronouns as antecedents. We discussed about indefinite pronouns, everyone, somebody, anybody. So indefinite pronouns as antecedents. Everyone must submit his or her internship report in the department office. Everyone, see, when indefinite pronouns are used, the antecedent refers to non-specific people, places, things, or ideas. Therefore, pronouns referring to such antecedents must be singular as well. So, everyone must submit. When you are talking about indefinite pronouns, so you need to make a pronoun, indefinite antecedent. Everyone must submit. You are making indefinite antecedent, everyone. So pronoun should be like, his or her internship report. You shouldn't write everyone must submit their. Everyone must submit his or her internship report in the department office. In the same way, let us see. Wrong mistake here. What is the mistake? What? Everyone must submit their internship reports in the department office. It is wrong because it is indefinite pronoun. When you are writing an antecedent with indefinite pronoun, see to that pronoun should be like refers to non-specific people, places, things, etc. So you should write like this. Everyone must submit his internship report in the department office. This is also wrong. So when you are writing an indefinite pronoun as an antecedent, make sure that you put the sentence in this way, like his or her. And coming to the last one, collective nouns. Collective means group of things coming together. We call them as collective nouns. The committee will announce its decision day after tomorrow. What is here collective noun is committee. What is the antecedent which we have kept pronoun is its. So collective nouns can be singular if they are referred to as unit, or they can be plural. In the first sentence, collective nouns are singular if they are referred to as a unit, and it has made its decision as a unit, and that is committee will announce its decision day after tomorrow. In this sentence, we are making this collective noun as a singular. Collective noun committee will announce its decision, singular. And let us see the second thing. After the prayer, the audience took their seats for the proceedings to begin. Their seats, the audience. Here collective noun, audience is also a collective noun. But this collective noun, we are making it as a plural. Audience took their seats for the proceedings to begin. So though audience is a collective noun, the implication is that every member took his or her own seat. Hence the pronoun is plural. So these are some rules which you need to follow when you are making noun pronoun agreement. Now let us see some task 4 which they have given here. So everybody in this lab was ready to complete dash assignment. I told you indefinite pronoun as an antecedent. We read one. Everyone must submit his or her internship, but not there. It is wrong. So everybody in the lab was ready to complete his or her assignment is the correct answer. Sometimes the students may want to improve their grades in a particular course. Third one, if cars are not serviced regularly, they will consume more fuel. If cars, we are talking about pronoun cars, and here plural, we are talking about plural, so it should be, pronoun should be they. Cars, they. He saw his professor in the library and decided to ask for some assistant. He saw his professor. Pronoun should be singular, his. No matter how Ravi tried, he could not execute the program. Pronoun should be singular. So noun pronoun agreement is very, very important when you are making a sentence of your own or writing it in the form of an this.